Hi guys! Stanley Chi here for another episode of Phil Coche's Top 10 List. Kung puro kapangitan ang pinag-usapan natin last episode, pues, ihanda nyo sarili nyo dahil ang pag-uusapan natin, the top 10 most beautiful cars ever built. But before we start, please subscribe to Phil Coche's YouTube channel and click the bell button for updates. Alam nyo naman, Phil Coche is the #1 car portal in the Philippines. Kaya kung bibili ka ng kotse, brand new man yan o second hand, log on to philcoche.com and they'll give you the best car deals in the country. Simulan na natin. Naniniwala ba kayo na kapag may sasakyan ka, dagdag pogi points yan para sa'yo? Kung ang isa sa mga sasakyang nandito sa top 10 list natin, napasayo, hindi lang pogi points mo ang madaragdagan. Malilinis pati kaluluwa mo. Dahil sa sobrang ganda ng mga sasakyang nandito sa listahan namin ngayon. Dito mapapatunayan na appearances is valued too much in the car industry. So let's start the countdown from classic to modern car designs in no particular order. The top 10 most beautiful cars ever built. Number 10. The 1954 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. Two words, mga kapatid, gullwing doors. It's a mixture of futuristic and classic design. Sa totoo lang, wala pa akong nakikitang tsedeng na pangit ang design. Lahat magaganda. Pero ito na siguro yung pinaka-astig at sosyal na nakita kong tsedeng. Imaginein mo 1950s to ginawa, pero ganun ang pinto mo, kakaiba. Parang si Michael J. Fox sa Back to the Future. Isa kang time traveler. Number 9, Suzuki Jimny. Sabi nga nila, be a better version of yourself. Pero para sa Suzuki Jimny, be the best version of yourself. Dahil para kang millennial na James Dean at FPJ pag dinadrive mo tong sasakyan na to. At ang current model at design, mas pinaganda pa dahil may pagka-throwback din sa mga dating Suzuki Jimny. The round headlights were from the first gen, slats on the side were from the second gen, and the grille is from the third gen. Fun fact, the Suzuki Jimny nameplate is already 50 years old. Slow clap, Suzuki. Ang ganda ng ginawa niyo. Number 8, the 1967 Lamborghini Miura. The first supercar with the mid-engine layout. Dito unang sumikat ang Lamborghini at dahil 700 units lang ang ginawang Miura, it's super rare. Parang Pokemon na mahirap makuha. At para sa mga titong nanonood, para siyang rookie card ni Michael Jordan. Mapapamiura ka sa ganda. Number 7, current Mazda vehicles, special mention, MX-5. A combination of power and beauty. Dahil sa Kodo design language na ginagamit ng Mazda, hindi na ako nagugulat at marami silang nakukuhang mga awards. Fun fact, the Mazda 3 won the World Car Design of the Year and the Mazda CX-30, which is available locally, and the MX-30 won the Red Dot Design Awards. Pag MX-5 naman ang pag-uusapan, ito yung matagal mo nang pinapangarap na sasakyan. It's an eye candy, mga tol. This two-seat roadster is surely one of the most recognizable sports cars in the world. Number 6, 1961 Jaguar E-Type Series 1. Enzo Ferrari called this the most beautiful car ever built when it was released in 1961. Sa mga hindi nakakilala kay Enzo Ferrari, siya lang naman yung may-ari ng Ferrari. At isa siyang sikat na race car driver. Panalong-panalo ang disenyo ng sasakyang ito dahil ibinase ito sa D-Type race car ng Jaguar na nanalo ng 24 Hour of Le Mans for 3 consecutive years. So, pangmalakasan talaga ang sasakyang ito. Panalong-panalo. Ulitin natin, let's pronounce it again. Le Mans, the Super Bowl of car racing. Kailangan mas maarte pa. Okay, sige. Take 2. Le Mans, the Super Bowl of car racing. Guys, lema pa lang yan. Kaya nyo pa ba? Fasten your seatbelts and brace yourselves dahil nasa top 5 na tayo. Number 5, the Lexus LC500. Sporty and elegant, yan ang masasabi ko rito. Para siyang women's volleyball player na nanalo sa Miss Universe. The huge grille might be polarizing for some, but isipin mo na lang, si Crush, pag nagka-braces, overall maganda pa rin, di ba? May naturally aspirated V8 at 470 plus horsepower lang naman to. Para intense. Number 4, the 1938 Bugatti Type 57 Atlantic. An instant classic. Luxurious, sporty, elegant, and rare. Built through the 1930s to the 1940s and designed by John Bugatti himself, son of the Bugatti founder, Ettore. The doors continue to the roof to make it easier for passengers to enter and leave the low slung coupe. It's 80 years old now and one of the world's most valuable vehicles. Fun fact, 4 lang ang ginawang Atlantic at 3 na lang ang surviving. Ano kaya nangyari dun sa isa? Number 3, Ferrari Roma. A symbol of power, prestige, and achievement. Parang isang honest politician. Parang mali yun ah. Oo nga, mali. That's an oxymoron eh.
Wow! Naman!
Pero may ganitong kotse sa totoong buhay. Take note ha, hindi lahat ng Ferrari ay maganda. Nakita nyo na ba yung mukhang box type na Ferrari, yung 308 GT4 Rainbow? Well, pero alam mo, si Roma ibang klase datingan ito. Para siyang si Crush. Pero yung si Crush na alam mong never kanyang papatulan. Saklap, no? Pero ganun talaga eh. Number 2, McLaren Elva. Normal sa Elva yung makina ay nasa likod ng upuan. Pero iba datingan itong si Elva ha. Materiales fuertes. No roof, no windshield. Only well-engineered aerodynamics. Para siyang si Ivana Alawi. Pero nakabikini. Fun fact, the McLaren Elva is the lightest road car that the McLaren Automotive has ever built. It proudly embraces the principles set by Bruce McLaren's original race, conquering open-top sports cars in the 1960s like the M1A, M1B, and M1C. Number 1, the original Porsche 911. The icon. The original. In fact, this is one of the most iconic cars in history. Para siyang Michael Jordan ng mga sports car. This car is so recognizable, Porsche didn't even bother change the essence of its styling and shape up until its current model. The best of the best since 1963. There you have it. The top 10 most beautiful cars ever built. Oh, natuwa ba kayo sa listahan namin? May mga reklamo ba kayo o gustong idagdag ng mga sasakyan? I-comment nyo lang yan sa comment section namin at nababasa naman namin lahat yan eh. Oo, pati mga negative comments. Kilala namin kung sino kayo. So, ayan na po. The top 10 most beautiful cars ever built. I'm Stanley Chi for Phil Coach's Top 10 List. See you all next episode. Direk? Umamin ka nga. Ikaw yung hater ko nung nakaraan na. Ikaw ba yun? Hindi nga. Si Rep yun, no? Yung totoo. Sabi ko na, pinagtitripan nyo ako dito eh.